Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about a sound that cat lovers know very well.
That's right, Mia. The word is purring. You know that soft, rumbling sound cats make when they're happy.
Exactly. Purring is that gentle, vibrating noise that comes from a cat's throat. It's like a little motor running.
It's interesting because cats purr when they feel content and relaxed. But scientists say they also purr when they're nervous or healing from injury.
Let me give you some examples. My cat was purring loudly while I petted her. That's the most common use.
Here's another one. I could hear the kitten purring as it fell asleep in my lap. It's such a peaceful sound.
And we can use it beyond cats too. The car engine was purring smoothly on the highway. We use it for any smooth, continuous sound.
That's a great point. People even say purring with satisfaction to describe someone who's very pleased about something.
So to recap, purring is that soft, vibrating sound cats make, and we can use it for other smooth, rumbling sounds too.
Next time you hear a happy cat, you'll know exactly what to call that sound. Thanks for listening.